the STEAM universe. An ecosystem where women are currently very unrepresented, both in deep tech entrepreneurship and venture investment. EIT is committed to help change this picture, breaking barriers and increasing female presence to make them shine. Introducing Supernovas. Supernovas is a program designed with 3 complementary objectives: empowering female entrepreneurs and women-led startups, helping women start a career in access early-stage funding, and inspiring role models across the ecosystem. Supernovas achieves these objectives through a set of activities targeted at women at different points in their careers and with different backgrounds and aspirations. These activities help participants acquire new capacities through training, mentoring, coaching, and create networking opportunities.
I highly recommend this program to anyone who's looking forward to improve their business strategies, improve their network, and looking forward to reach their own full potential.
Coming from a technical background, Women to Invest has helped me acquire all the basic knowledge I needed to start my career in venture capital. Most importantly, we have received first-hand advice from incredible professionals that are also now part of our network.
We take with us not only the learnings, but also all of these wonderful people in this amazing network, and we are extremely grateful.
It's women's time to shine in the STEAM universe. Supernovas.